looking for how to fix Galaxy Store not opening, not working problem. In this video, I show how to fix Galaxy Store not working or not opening problem. For solving this problem, go to settings, scroll down, then go to apps. Now search for Galaxy Store. Tap on Galaxy Store. Scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete. Now tap on force stop. Now tap on APR on top. Enable it. Now tap on permission. Allow all permission. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, open Galaxy Store. Tap on all option. Agree. Now I hope that this method fix Galaxy Store not working, not opening problem. Thanks for watching.